Welcome back to Introduction to Engineering Design. Today we're working on 1.2.2a where I'm going to show you how to model the orange part. Notice the orange part drawing is up on your module page, and you'll see that the overall width of the part is 2.25 inches. Each block is 0.75 inches. I'm going to start by sketching out this rectangle that is in the back of the block. That rectangle will be 0.75 tall by 2.25. I'll extrude it to 0.75 deep. Add my two front nubs, just like the blue one. Add my top nub. 3 extrusions total. Let's get started. Start SOLIDWORKS if you haven't already. Go File, New Part. Should be an IPS, lower right corner. Check that. I'm going to start a sketch on the front plane. Doesn't really matter which plane you start on. With a corner rectangle. Place it at the origin, pull it out, dimension it. 0.75 tall, 2.25 wide. Go to my Features tab, extrude it. Type in 0.75. Notice I don't need to hit backspace or anything like that. I just type over the number. Hit the check mark. There's my basic extrusion. Let's go back and look at what we need to add to it. Let's add our two front rectangles, one there, one here, both 0.75 by 0.75. I'll choose an extruded boss base command. This menu will actually tell me select a plane, planar face, or an edge to sketch on. I'm going to choose this front face. Click on it, rotates, corner rectangle tool. Drop one corner of your rectangle, coincident with the upper left corner. Come down until you're coincident with the lower bottom line. Second rectangle, coincident in the upper right, pull it down to your coincident with the lower edge. I have to apply dimension to these. I'm going to dimension between these two lines. I click on the first line I want to dimension on, second line I want to dimension on, pull it up and drop it, 0.75. That's how we dimension between parallel lines. So we're in Smart Dimension. First line, second line, pull it up and drop it, 0.75. You'll notice that I'm fully defined. You'll also notice when I hit and exit, my sketch no longer has a minus mark. And you'll also notice that the entire sketch is black, fully defined. Exit my sketch. Because I told it to extrude, I'll roll my model by holding my mouse wheel. You'll see it extruded out at 0.75. Accept it. Let's add the last nub onto this top surface. Extruded boss base, click on the top surface, and let's look real quick where it goes. You'll see it's in the upper right hand corner. In this example, grab my tool, hover over, drop my corner rectangle, pull it down. Now if I drop it here, I won't have to apply any dimensions because it's defined by the underlying geometry. So I'm going to drop it like that, and you'll notice that right away my sketch is fully defined. And it's defined because I've already told it the dimensions of this underlying model. Once I've done that, exit my sketch, roll it on the side, look at the extrusion, 0.75 looks correct. Select the overall part, choose the color wheel. Let's make this thing orange. Save it as 1.2.2a orange and submit it. Thanks for watching.